Welcome viewers to Koinamed India Private Limited. As you know, we are the #1 manufacturers and exporter of surgical tables and surgical light. Today, I will be your guide, Himanshi, to let you know the feature of our European standard operation table, that is Mattress Advanced with manual override. The stainless steel fitting of this table make it look attractive and rustless. Mattress Advanced has a SMPS control box which can handle better voltage fluctuation. This is as per the European and American standard, where the ideal power consumption should be 0 and transformer based system are outdated. We have used 304 medical grade stainless steel, which is rust proof. The length of the table is 2000 mm and the width of the table is 520 mm. This tabletop has 5-section top. The head section having the gas spring. With this gas spring, you can see with the slightest pressure it will come upwards, and when you put the pressure on the tabletop and pushing this knob, so it will go downwards. This is really easy to handle the head section. This is the back section, the kidney bridge, the pelvic section with the perennial cut, and the split leg section. We have provided the split leg section in this table that can be open up to 90 degrees. You can have a look. In both of the split leg section, we have also provided the gas spring feature. With the gas spring feature, you can see by pressing it upwards, it will come upwards. And lightest pressure putting on the tabletop and pressing the knob, you can see how easily it going downwards, and it will go downwards till 90 degrees. That gas spring feature will be same for the both of the legs. Now I will let you know the standard accessory of this table. The standard accessories are lithotomy crutches, the anesthesia screen, side supports. These side support also known as lateral support, shoulder supports, armrests. This table has radio translucent top. As you can see, we have provided solid PU mattress that is easily detachable. Now I will let you know the feature of this operation table with the help of remote. This kind of remote will be provided with the table. You can have a look to the feature. We have also mentioned the position name on each of the position. We have provided this backlight LED system for easy operationing. Now the table is going to the downward motion, and now it's going upwards. Move the tabletop in the Trendelenburg position. You can reverse Trendelenburg. The Trendelenburg position of this table works in the 25 degree to the both sides. Now you will see the tabletop tilting. Tilting on the other side. The tilting of this table works in the 20 degree. Now I will show you the position of backrest in this table. That backrest position works to the 60 degree on the both of the sides. With the help of the same remote, now I will show you the tabletop sliding. The tabletop sliding works 5 inches forward and 5 inches back. I have operated many positions in this table with the help of the remote to show you the 0 position. Now I will press the 0 button on the remote and you can see how the table comes to its actual position. As this is advanced operation table, I have let you know the feature of this table with the help of the remote. Now I will show you the second remote that will be available on the column of the table. The same features you can operate with the help of this column remote. We have also provided 2 memory functions in this table so that you can set 2 positions for the easy operationing. As we have also provided the feature of manual override in this table, with this system you can also operate the same position with the help of the handle. Now I will show you how to operate this manual override system. This kind of override system panel will be provided to you on the column of the table, and here you can see we have just provided this knob for easy operationing of the manual override. Now I will show you the positioning of it. This kind of handle will be provided to you. You have to adjust this handle on this knob and move it clockwise. If you move it clockwise, so you can see power on is showing in the red color. With the help of this manual override, I will show you the Trendelenburg. Now I will show you the another position, just like for example the tilting. By rotating the handle you can see the tabletop is tilting. For example, if you have used the manual override system and you want to operate the table with the help of remote, so you can just use the remote and see the manual override position can become to the actual position with the help of the remote as well. So it means you can use the table simultaneously with the override panel, with the hand remote, and the other side which we have provided you the second remote. Same operations can be operated as we have shown to you. Now I will show you the locking system of this table. You can see the table is moving. In this table we have provided central floor locking. By pressing them down, you can see the table is not moving. These all are the standard feature of our Mattress Advanced Operation Table with manual override. I hope you got the knowledge of this product, and if you want to add the optional features that can be wireless remote and reverse orientation mode. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the